Hi, this is Pankhurie and welcome to Style Talkies. I hope you all are doing amazingly well and thank you so much for coming back again. If you are new here, then do subscribe to my channel if you like what you see, and also press on the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Now that all the formalities of welcoming you and asking you to subscribe have been done, let's get on to business. Today I will be reviewing the Ordinary's famous Niacinamide lotion, and I will tell you how has my experience been using this cult skincare product. If you are not already aware, let me tell you that I only review a skincare product after using it for a month or so that I can give you a comprehensive review and also tell you all the pros and cons of it. If I talk about the packaging, then it's pretty fuss-free. It comes in this frosted glass bottle and has a dropper dispenser. Now, I really like when serums and lotions come in this kind of packaging because then you can actually control the amount of product that you want, and it's also way more hygienic. Now, let me tell you what exactly is niacinamide. Niacinamide is a form of vitamin B3 and it's known for its skin restoring properties. It improves the appearance of pores, fine lines, uneven skin tone, dullness, etc. And it also contains zinc, which helps in controlling sebum. So if you have combination or oily skin, you should definitely give it a try. I am on my second bottle now. I have already used up one, and that itself should be a testimony to the fact that I am in love with this product. This has become my holy grail product. I don't think I can live without it, and it has become such an integral part of my daily skincare routine. My skin doesn't feel congested anymore. I used to get tiny bumps around this area because I do have whitehead issues, and you couldn't see them, but when I used to touch my skin, I could feel it, and that's no longer there. I stopped using it in between because I had finished all my product, and it took me some time to source my second bottle, and during that period my whiteheads returned and so did my blackheads. My skin did not feel smooth, so I can vouch for this product because it has done wonders for my skin. To an extent, I also credit it for controlling my hormonal acne. I'm saying to an extent because I am also using other products to deal with my different skin related issues, and it also helps in reducing hyperpigmentation. It helped in reducing acne spots and blemishes. Evening, morning, you can use it anytime because it does not increase sensitivity to sunlight. I have incorporated it in my night care routine because I use an acid toner at night, and I do not want to use anything acidic over the acid toner because it would become way too harsh for my skin. But you can use it anytime, whatever suits you, but do not mix it with vitamin C because niacinamide can affect its integrity. So if you are using niacinamide in the morning, you should use vitamin C in the night, or you can also use them alternatively. You can use niacinamide on one day and vitamin C on another, but never mix the two together. I use it right after my toner and before I apply my moisturizer so that the product can actually sink into my skin. It has a watery gel-like consistency and is very easy to work with. When you rub it on your skin, it lathers a bit, but soon everything gets absorbed, and within 5 to 10 minutes everything completely sinks into your skin, and I think 4 drops should be enough for your entire face. This retails for $9.80, and though we don't have any official retailer in India, many sites are selling it, and you can also source it from an Instagram seller, or you can ask somebody to get it for you from abroad. It's totally up to you. In India, you can get it anywhere between rupees 1000 to 1500. It depends on seller to seller. This is not a cure for acne, but it can help control acne by controlling sebum production, and you would be able to see visible effects if you have hyperpigmentation. Many brightening products have niacinamide in their ingredient list, so there you have it. It can also help in brightening your skin. I will be ordering my third bottle soon. I intend to do it even before the second one ends because when you are calling products from abroad, it can easily take 15 to 20 days for them to arrive, and I don't want to take that risk again. So I highly recommend this one, and if you have used this product, do let me know how has your experience been in the comment section below. That's all I have for you today. Questions, comments and concerns in the description box below, and if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up because it would mean a lot to me. Till then, you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, and you can also follow Style Talkies on all these social media platforms. Until next time, this is me, Pankhurie, signing off.